In this video, I'm going to show you how to use offline mode in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. And then from here, you want to go to a general over here on the left. And as you can see, it says offline. So you want to click on the offline button. And then from here, this is the offline mode. It says access your email, calendar, and people when you are offline. Now your data will be saved on your device whenever you're offline. So you can just click on the allow offline access to email, calendar, and people over here. And as you can see, you'll be able to select folders you want to save. So you have default and favorites, you only have default, and then you have default, favorites, and recently used as well. I'm going to leave it like this. And then from here, you want to select the days of email you want to save. So here, of course, I'm going to pick 30, but of course, you can go and select whatever you want. And you could also include file attachments, and you can sync in the background when Outlook is closed. Now hit the save button over here, and a restart is going to be required. So hit the restart now button. That's going to automatically restart your Outlook for you just like this. And as you can see, you're now using offline mode just like that, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.